Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm glad that you could join me again. So I've got the paint left over from the last video and it has set overnight because I actually didn't realize how much I had left. So I'm going to use it, and I think I want to try a puddle pour and a dirty pour if I have enough. So in the last video I did the airbrush and tried it out, and it was okay. I didn't really like the way that it muddled the colors together and mixed them, and you know, it just made a mess. I think if I made my paints thicker and laid them out strategically and then blew them, it would work much better, and I'm gonna try that in another video with some different colors. But right now I want to finish up these paints, and what I have in them is just my glue and water mixture, which is half and half, and the M1 that I always put in it. Well, I'm not going to say always, that I put in it most of the time, and a little bit of water if I needed to thin it out anymore. So I'm going to do a puddle pour first, and this is just a piece of cardstock. Like I said, I'm out of canvas and wood. I've got to get some more cut, so we're just going to use this for now. And the colors that I've got, I forgot to tell y'all, I feel like you've already seen the other video, but some people may not have seen it yet. So I've got a gray, a red orange, a blue, and a dark blue. And this was from a color palette that I just Googled online to find something real quick to come up with, because I was just at a loss for colors. So this one kind of caught my eye, and I mixed the colors up as closely as I could to what was on the screen. So I'm just going to do a puddle pour real quick with these, see how that turns out. And if it doesn't do what I want, then we will go with a dirty pour and try that. And as always, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it very much. And if you have any suggestions on things that I should try or that you want to see, leave it down in the comments below. There's a lot of information in the description box as well. So just let me know if you have anything, guys. That sailed really well. I'm very happy with those results. And as you see, my torch is a little over full. Filled it up too much. But the cells on it are amazing. Alright, so I will get some pictures of this for you guys. And thank you again for watching, and I will see you next time.